Hello and welcome to your video lesson for the week. This is page 14 and we are going to be focusing on reading our notes without any letter names in the center of them like on the previous pages. Now, the way to figure out which note is by using this theory yellow square. All right, I've already gone through and I've written in my letter names: D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. And once I have that, I can match them with these notes down there when I'm confused and I need a little bit of help. We're going to start with number 40, Carolina Breeze, which is just a little bit of a warm-up on the D string.
40, Carolina Breeze.
1, 2, here we go. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. G, G, F, F, E, F, G. Again. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Rest. G, G, F, F, E, F, G. Nice. Moving on, number 41 is Jingle Bells, which obviously you're going to recognize. Couple of heads up on this. The rhythm is slightly different in this line from what you might be used to. You're going to notice that, right, we just have quarter notes and quarter rests. So nice steady beat versus maybe the rhythms that you're used to in Jingle Bells. So just a little heads up there. Other things you want to do is you want to look for some patterns. I noticed that the first line and the third line are identical, and that the second line and the fourth line are similar, but they end differently. Those types of things are really going to help you be able to learn music faster when you notice when things repeat or if there's any patterns. Let's listen to Jingle Bells.
41, Jingle Bells.
1, 2, here we go. F, 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 rest. F, 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 rest. F, A, D, E, F, rest. Next line, go. G, 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 F, 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 E, E, F, E, rest. A, next line. F, 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 rest. F, 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 rest. F, A, D, E, F, and the next line, go. G, 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 F, 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 A, G, E, D. Very nice. As always, you're probably going to have to pause, repeat, and slow down a lot of this in order to get it all the way through, but that's what you can play along with once you finish that. Moving on, we're going to do quickly number 42. Same thing. Look for those patterns. Make sure you know where you're driving your bus. Make sure you know where you're going by looking ahead. I noticed a repeat sign at the end of the first line, which means I need to do the first line 2 times before moving on. I also noticed that I seem to have a lot of G's. In my song. So I'm going to have to make sure I'm paying attention and counting so I don't get lost. Here's Old Macdonald.
42, Old Macdonald had a farm.
1, 2, here we go. G, 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 D, E, E, D. B, B, A, G, rest, rest. D, G, 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 D, E, E, D. B, B, A, G. Moving on. D, 3, G, G, rest. G, 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 As with Jingle Bells, the rhythm isn't exactly what you might remember it as. It's kind of a simplified version. So just make sure that you're really paying attention to which notes you're playing and not adding in your own notes. Okay, that should be enough for this week. Happy practicing!